Hello, Internet. Welcome to HTML Tutor, your one-stop shop if you want to learn web design. One-stop shop. Does anybody even buy anything from us? We don't sell anything, do we? Hey, do we sell anything? No, we don't sell anything. Might have to consider changing that. Anyway, this is lesson 9, and in today's lesson, we will discover how to create nested lists. Let's call it listception. This may look a little complicated, but once you test it out and see it for yourself, all will become clear. You can nest tags together indefinitely. That means that there is no limit. You just need to make sure you are nesting them properly, otherwise your code will not process correctly. It'll either look messed up or come up as an error or basically just not come up at all. So here's an example of how a nested list looks like in a fully completed web page. Let's open up the good old Notepad++ here. Okay, as you can see, basically we have the doctype.html, the HTML starting tag, the header tag here. You got your title, nested lists, okay, and the head and the body. Now, right here is what we're interested in. We have the ordered list, which comes up with dad's interests. And then we have an unordered list right after it. All this stuff may look very strange to you, but if we open it here, it'll look a little bit more familiar. Now look at this. This is the same exact thing as this. This is the code to make the printout look like this. You have dad's interests as an ordered list. The list item right here lists it out, right? That's your first thing right here. Then you have an unordered list right after that. As HTML reads this, it basically puts the unordered list right underneath the ordered list and indents it for you so that way it looks nice and neat, as you can see. Now after that you end the unordered list, but the ordered list is still going on because you never ended it yet. So that means after you end the unordered list here, once you put a list item next right under it, which is mom's interests, right? It'll come out as the second part of the ordered list. You don't have to put out ordered list again. You can keep it going on over and over and over. This is what's called nesting the list. A list nested inside of a nested list. And of course, you have an unordered list underneath this list item, under mom's interests, which she hates football for whatever reason, and skydiving. She loves skydiving. So these two list items underneath on the unordered list is going to look like so. Remember, unordered lists basically are bullets, ordered lists are numbers. Okay, and then at the very end you have the ending, finally, of the unordered list and the ending of the ordered list, which we begun up here, as you can see. So you can use this technique. Again, it's a little weird when you first try it out, but if you play around with it and use this example to play around with, you'll see pretty quickly that it's actually very easy and quite useful because it saves you a lot of time in starting ordered lists and new unordered lists over and over and over again. You don't have to do that. HTML allows you to work a lot smarter and a lot faster that way. So here's your mission, should you choose to accept it. 1. Create a second ordered list underneath the closing tag of the first ordered list. 2. Make the first list item come out to be called My Interests. 3. Make an unordered list underneath this list item and list out 2 of your interests with at least 2 list items. Then end the unordered list. Make a second list item for your ordered list out to be called My Pet Peeves. Make an unordered list underneath the ordered list item and list out 2 pet peeves you have using the list item tag. Jesus, say that 5 times fast. Close the unordered list right after that. And lastly, close the ordered list. And that's it. Save it as lesson9.html and see it for yourself. Pretty easy, right? This ends lesson 9.